Today we talk about how can you disable content visibility on your Reddit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just click here on profile, just click on profile here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on edit, just click on edit. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down here until you found here content visibility here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's going to make content visibility disabled with us now. So you go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.